Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to solve a simple coding problem from HackerRank that involves basic arithmetic operations in Python. The problem asks us to read two integers from the user, calculate their sum, difference, and product, and then print the results on separate lines. Since we're using the built-in print function, we don't need to import any modules. The main function is the entry point of our Python program. We use the input function to read the two integers from the user and store them in variables a and b. We calculate the sum, difference, and product of a and b and store them in variables sum, diff, and prod. Finally, we print the values of sum, diff, and prod on separate lines using the print function. Also, we can, instead of writing three different print statements, to write just one print, separate each variable with a comma, and at the end add the word sep equal /n. If we run this, you will see that we have the same results.